Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Owings Mills, or near Pikesville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Cockeysville, Ellicott City, Towson, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, Owings Mills, Aldersburg, Milford Mill, Reisterstown, Lockern, Mays Chapel, Timonium, Fallston, Captain, Lutherville Timonium, Garrison and Lutherville. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.